Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at our 2017 Premier used pontoon that we have in stock. This boat comes on a double axle trailer. This Premier pontoon is a 24-foot pontoon. It's got a big 200 horsepower Merc Cruiser engine on it. Inside the front here, we have two loungers. It's a nice two-tone upholstery with a table connection here in the front, as well as a ski locker in the floor. And again, a bench seat on the side in the front here. This pontoon is equipped with two doors to board the boat. And in the back here, it's got a nice wraparound bench seating. Again, in the back, there's another table mount. This one comes with Rockford Fosgate speakers and a Rockford Fosgate head unit. This is an absolutely gorgeous pontoon. Again, slightly used, 2017 model. Doesn't have a lot of hours on it, and it's in great condition. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and check out this Premier pontoon or one of our other used boats or new boats here in stock.